We've just acquired this lovely Volkswagen Golf. It's the SE, it's the NavTech. It's in lovely condition, black with diamond cut black alloy wheels. It's in fantastic condition, as you can see. Rear park distance control. It's the facelift model. Boot area is in lovely condition with the original carpets. All lovely in the back. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's on 52,065 miles. So yeah, as you see, that's the facelift model. Satellite navigation. Got a media pack. Bluetooth. All touch screen. It's all very nice. Full menu there. 6-speed gearbox, air conditioning, different driving styles, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, auto headlights. It's fantastic value for money. DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.